started running.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and then I'd be worried.
To a predetermined point that we knew nothing about. Oh shit. Yeah, it's on, isn't it? It's on.
Okay, just control the sky when it sets that fire at the back. Why? Well, I do, just like in case they were on the set. I've never seen a fire. No, they probably don't have too many fires.
I really hope this is picking all this up.
There's another one over there.
Where?
No, there's another fighter flying that way.
Oh, right.
This must be like a drill, so I guess they did everyone else.
Marcel sounds really scared. Okay, I gotta run into the top.
Run, run, run! They're coming, Brad! Run!
There we go! There's the siren. There it is. It's a little bit late. Do you hear it? Reminds me of growing up in Texas and hearing the sirens for the tornado drills. Alright, so I haven't found out where I'm supposed to go. Not seeing anything listed as shelter. Now, unfortunately, most of the time, no one participates in the drill. But since I'm not working today, I thought I would figure out where I'm supposed to go. Let's go down the parking garage. No smoking. I saw a whole bunch of civil defense personnel earlier, but I have no idea where they are now. No, not down here. You can see the parking. Don't see anyone. So unfortunately, if you're in Dongtan and there's a big emergency, it looks like all the personnel's already gone. You can hear jets flying out over Bell. There's people walking about doing their own thing. Nothing to see here, just carry on, nothing to see here. And there it is. Siren's over. All right, that's what it's like to go through a civil defense drill here in Dongtan. Pretty much a non-event. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.